Hello, my name is Joe Eves and I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop. In this course, I'm going to teach you the basics of Photoshop, but this course is intended for those that have never used Photoshop or that they've used it, but they can't seem to quite navigate and get around like they would like. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about a few things with Photoshop. When you first launch Photoshop CS6, you're going to notice that there are a lot of options. You can see all of the tools. You can see colors, you can see adjustments, styles, layers, channels, paths, all of these windows. There's all different things in Photoshop, and if you take it all in at once, it could be very overwhelming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break these videos up into little sections where we talk about the tools that are most used and how to perfect them, so that as you're using Photoshop, that you'll be comfortable with the tools that you're using, you'll be comfortable with the terminology, you'll be comfortable with the layout. All of these things are important, but the main thing with Photoshop is just getting into it and using it. So what I'm going to do in these videos is show you where things are at and what they do, and then leave it up to you and your imagination to create those things that you want. But I will give you the tools that you need so that you will be able to create. And I look forward to working with you, and let's get started.